Sorry, enggak direkam. So please take a look at your Google Classroom. Have you opened it?
And keynote apa speaking?
Of course, Keynote.
Yeah.
Okay. Ini grade 10. Have you already opened, guys? Open your Google Classroom. I attach an image, fact PNG. And please, you may, it's also in your book. If you have your book, why I attach this one? So because I'm afraid some of you has no book, so I attach it in here to avoid the inconvenience. So if you have your book, you may just open your book, page 12. It's there. It is on there. Okay. Have you started to read that?
Yang
Halaman
12. On page 12. You may take a look.
di Google Classroom yang keynote gitu ya?
Yes, that's correct. So I
Yang
attach.
Zah, kalau yang di buku itu kayak gimana, Zah?
Yang di buku it's same. It is same. Just this one.
Enggak, buku ada dua kan maksudnya. Soalnya.
Apa?
Bukunya ada dua.
Students book.
Ya sebenarnya ada dua.
Hah? Enggak, students book. Yang satu workbook.
Kan. I see.
Ada sampingnya, Bu.
Oh. I.
Okay,
Nggak lihat aku, cu.
Got it, sahabat. Okay, so just open your student's book. If I ask you to open your workbook, I will give you sign to open it. But I think we just need to open the student's book first. Okay. Have you read the picture, or maybe do you have to look at the picture? Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's great, Faro. So if you have read it, maybe you may join Mentimeter. You may log in Mentimeter. I will give you the link, or just log in, use the code, and use this code menti.com. You may type menti.com and input the code 66 14 21 15. Please. And you may type down something. What? Gimana, Gezi? How, Gezi?
Invalid ya,
Could not be found.
Oh, ya tuh, invalid.
6614.
Try again.
Oh, sorry, ya Allah,
Juga
saya
invalid.
tipe 6614 2115. Masya Allah. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry for the typo. Okay.
Quizzes kan ya, Zah?
No, not quizzes, menti.com.
Oh, maaf. Salah. Saya bisa
Jadi
Menti.com.
ini tulisin apa ya nih?
Yes. What's your opinion, or what the things that you get from the picture? You may share with us what the things that you get from the picture. You may be, oh, I see this one, or I see this one. I get this one, or I get this one. You may say so. And let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see my share screen? Can you see it? The screen that I share?
Yes.
Udah ya, udah kelihatan kan kalau Ustazah nge-share, bukan nge-share yang lain.
Iya.
Okay. So this one, what do you get from the picture? Someone told us occupational therapist is a good job. Okay, about occupational therapist. Okay, that's great. Good jobs are jobs that are helpful to people. Good jobs are jobs that are helpful to people. Okay. Some informations and data about occupational therapist. Okay, thank you. 6%. So you guys, there is, I need to 19%. Okay, therapists did good deeds. They also got huge amount of salary. Okay, I see. Job occupation. Okay, occupation is a good job with good salary by just helping other people. Ah, that's great. That's nice of you guys. Helpful to people. Okay, thank you. Definitely is what occupational therapists do. Yeah, I guess so. I think so too. Occupational therapist is a job that helps someone in need. Okay, the salary is up to, siapa ini yang udah, you find it in, you browse it guys. The salary is up to 40
Kayak
pounds.
Google itu dah.
Siapa yang googling? Who is googling this one?
Ada di buku aja.
Oh, ada
Ada
buku
di
ya?
gambarnya.
Oh iya,
Di
betul.
taksi ada.
Saya lupa. Oh iya, up to. Okay, I see. What about the others? Training 3 years. A therapist as an occupation. Or maybe you have something.
I couldn't
Other-
find the picture. So
Pardon, Rifki?
I couldn't find the picture.
Nggak nemu. In the Google Classroom or maybe it's just in your book.
Kalau di Google Classroom ada lebih cepat ya. Tapi kalau misalnya di buku itu Keynote yang student book halaman 12
Yeah, that's right. Thank
di
you,
bagian kiri.
Sahabat. Yeah, in the left side, Rifki. Okay, 11 has answered the question. What do you get from the picture? Okay. What else, guys? 12. Oke, keren. Gimana tuh maksudnya? Keren. Yang nulis keren siapa? Who is right? Who is type it down? Oke, sahabat, I see.
Enggak, saya cuma pengen nanya tadi, tapi nggak jadi, saya lupakan aja gitu.
Oh, I see. Occupational therapist is a good job because help people to recover and big salary. Big salary. Big salary and big responsibility.
High risk, high salary gak sih, Zah? Kayak high
Yeah.
risk, high price apalah lupa
Yeah,
saya.
it's also part of our responsibility too, right? Kan based on, pasti semakin tinggi gajinya tuh pasti tanggung jawabnya akan semakin besar, guys. Jadi jangan mudah terlena dengan gaji yang besar. Tapi nggak apa-apa sih kalau kalian emang bisa. Oh, aku siap juga dengan you are ready to with the big responsibility. Occupational therapist is like tukang pijit in Indonesia. I think it's not. It's like
Enggak, bukan, beda. Itu mah kalau bisa saya tuh massager apa Elsa, saya talis dulu, saya cari dulu sebentar. Beda-beda.
it takes 3 years
Kayak
of training
kemoterapis
to
gitu deh
become
kayaknya.
therapist.
Ah iya,
Okay.
kayak gitu sih kayaknya.
Kemoterapi.
Okay, 15.
Berarti
Okay,
nggak tentu
Anas.
pijit lah.
Do you have any question, Anas?
Gajinya itu per tahun atau per bulan?
Per hari.
No, it's not. I think maybe Ustazah juga kurang tahu banget ya. Mungkin ini lebih ke 40.
Kayaknya per tahun deh.
Kayaknya per tahun deh emang. Masa ini pound sterling ya? It's a huge
Iya,
number, right?
jutaan,
If
boy.
it is for a month, but that's fine too. If mungkin emang di sana kan kalau di UK it takes a lot of what we call it. It takes a lot of
Rata-rata gaji mereka 2.000, 3.000, 4.000 pound sterling.
I see it. Pound sterling in rupiah, how much pound sterling in rupiah?
20,000, I guess, or
Yes.
18,000.
Around it.
Yes.
Okay, 15. So for 4 of you guys still hasn't answered the question yet. 4 nih, ada yang belum 4? Siapa yang belum merasa menulis? maybe it's for a year since living cost in the UK is higher than us. 40.000 dikali 20.000 berapa ya? 40.000.
800.
400 juta ya gak sih? Bisa.
800 juta. It's for a year or maybe I think it's for a month too. Masa 800 juta setahun dikit nggak sih?
Kalau di sana dikit masuknya, berarti harusnya per bulan, harus per bulan.
Maybe it's for a month I guess since the living
Kalau nggak
cost
per bulan
is
per hari.
not.
Oh, per hari enak banget itu 800 juta.
Kau.
Bisa haji berapa kali tuh ya?
Auto kaya, Bat.
Okay.
Iya,
Okay,
gak usah
so-
apa ya.
So everyone, please take a look at the screen. This is occupational therapist. About occupational therapist, okay, occupational therapist. We just see it, we just know it. This is your friend's opinion, or maybe this is your friend opinion. This is your opinion too, right? So from this all opinion, what can you conclude for this all opinion? Therapists did good deeds. They also got huge amount of salary. Apa yang bisa selain ini? Apa aja sih konklusinya yang lain? Ada yang
Important.
important what? Anas. Okay. So actually, mau dilanjutin Anas? Wanna continue?
Enggak.
Okay, thank you Anas for trying. That's great. So jadi ini ya, anak komisioner terapi ada yang nambah an important job because they could change someone's life that have some disabilities. Okay, I said at least they can do their every day. It takes 3 years. Okay, so in this picture, actually, I want you to know that the picture is showing us about the fact. Okay, it's about the fact that occupational therapists do assist, help people, train people. It's a fact, right? That occupational therapist job is assist people, help people, train people. Do you see it? Do you get it? Okay, and the fact that occupational therapists work at the patient's home or at the therapist homes. Kayak gitu juga occupation therapy in numbers. In the state of this book, berapa itu 35.000, so 35,000 around it, number of occupational therapists, lumayan banyak ya. And the salary, you already said that about the salary up to 40,000 pounds sterling. That's also the fact, and you also said that it takes 3 years of training to become a therapist. Okay, so these things, it's about the fact. So this is in this occasion I would like to discuss about the fact, or refers to the grammar itself, present simple tense. Okay guys, present simple tense. I think you guys already familiar with present simple tense, right? Udah kenal lah ya tentang present simple tense. Oke, ada yang belum kenal? Ada yang
Simple
belum kenal?
present tense you are talking about.
Yeah, it's same. Simple present tense, present simple tense, sama aja. Oke. Ini di skip gimana? Itu ya. So about the present simple tense, let me share my screen please. So this is present simple tense by me. So we had our introduction that from the picture we get, that there is some description about occupational therapist, and it shows the fact of the occupational therapist itself. Okay, thank you for sharing your opinion, sharing your thoughts. All of you guys are terrific. And for the next one, this is what is tense itself. What is tense itself? You may read this and you may share your opinion about why this is pattern of a verb, why sometimes, and so on. This is the tense. What is tense? Before we jump to this present simple tense, at first we have to know about the tense itself. Sebenarnya apa sih tense? Apa-apa semuanya dikasih tense. Future tense, past tense, apalagi perfect tense, progressive tense. Why everything always be followed by tense? Kenapa semuanya kudu diikuti dengan tense? So what is tense itself?
The structure of the sentences.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Rifki. The structural of the sentence. Okay, I see it. Okay, the other one, you may relate with this description.
Am I right or wrong?
Good try, Rifki. Almost.
Zah, saya izin ke kamar mandi dong.
Okay, please do, Midi. Okay, what is tense? Tense. What is tense? It is show that tense is pattern of a verb. It's also part of the structure itself. Thank you, Rifki. Jadi udah dibilang sama Rifki ya tadi, pattern of a verb. So if you study about tenses, you always see that the verb is always changed. Is it right? The verb always changing. Is it right? Iya nggak sih?
Yeah.
Kalau kalian yang berubah itu apa sih? From the structure, yes. Yang selalu berubah adalah verbnya. So we just can focus on the verb, but without forget the other like subject, object, complement. Gak boleh dilupain. Tapi kita sebenarnya kalau belajar tenses itu we focus on pattern of a verb. Jadi kayak biasanya kalau verb itu gimana diubahnya kayak gimana? Do you know how we change the verb itself? Gimana sih caranya ngubah verbnya itu? How we change it?
The verb 1, verb 2, verb 3.
Okay, that's great, Anna. So you already know about the pattern, like verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. We may say base verb or infinitive verb or maybe
Past
present.
sama past participle.
That's great. Past participle, present participle, past participle we put ed, present participle we put ing. It's everything. It's part of pattern of a verb. So tense is also sometimes the continuation or completeness of an action or state in relation to the time of speaking. Please, someone, do you want to explain this one? Why it is the continuation, why it is the completeness, why it is an action or state in relation to the time of speaking, why it is part of the tense itself. Why? Ada yang mau mengkorelasikan? Ada yang mau menjelaskan ulang? Apa sih korelasinya dengan kelanjutan atau kelengkapan dari sebuah tindakan atau ucapan yang berhubungan dengan waktu dalam berbicara? Theoretical banget ya ini. But I hope you can understand.
Sometimes yang itu kenapa tuh?
Apa?
Saya mau izin ke toilet.
Oke, please do, Rifat. Ini kok grammar, ini belajar grammar kok tiba-tiba pada pengen pipis, kenapa? Begitu menyenangkan ya kayaknya ini materinya.
Percaya apa enggak, saya juga loh, Zah.
Oke, please do. Yeah, if you want to.
Saya tadi hampir ketiduran.
Oh ya, gak apa-apa. Emang kayak gitu guys, kalau tenses udah gimana nih caranya? Ayo, jangan ketiduran dong, jangan
breaking
ngantuk.
dulu kali.
Oh iya, gimana? Oke, so tenses ini. Iya, gak apa-apa. So tenses ya udah Ustazah aja yang jelasin, tapi kalian gak boleh ngantuk. Oke, so tenses ya tadi tenses itu pattern of verb. It shows pattern of verb. Dia menunjukkan pola dari verb itu sendiri. Tenses also relate to the continuation or action or state in relation to the time of speaking. Jadi ketika kita kalau bahasa Inggris itu ngefek nggak sih? Jadi kalau bahasa Inggris itu apa sih bedanya kita belajar bahasa Inggris sama bahasa Indonesia deh? What is the difference when we study English, when we study Indonesian language? What the difference of that? What the difference of the two of them? Okay,
Saya
sahabat,
mau
please.
jawab.
Okay,
The
please.
difference is between the language. They use
Yeah.
when we study Indonesia, we use Indonesia.
Okay,
When
I
we
see.
learn English, we use English.
Okay, I see. Thank you, sahabat. Yeah, the first one is the language. What about the second one? Do you get it? Kalau di bahasa Indonesia tuh kayak gini.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary ya pada itu.
Apa?
Lupa. Vocabulary apa? Vocabulary apa itu?
Nigger.
Vocabulary.
Astagfirullah Karim.
And structure.
Okay,
salah.
Anas, you want to say something, Anas?
Vocabulary and structure sentence.
Okay, the structure of the sentence. Okay, I see it. Yeah, we just talk about the pattern of verb. Okay, it's correct. What about this one? What about this definition? Sometimes the continuation or completeness. What is the
Ustazah,
okay, Anas?
tense like ada past tense, ada kayak present continuous. Jadi kalau kalau past tense itu udah lewat, kalau present present continuous ya.
Iya.
Nah, itu udah mulai tapi belum selesai. Nah, jadi ada yang udah selesai, ada yang belum gitu-gitu lah.
Okay.
Ada yang udah lagi ngerjain, ada yang udah selesai.
Okay, that's
Ada
great.
yang will do.
Okay, that's great. Nah, that's great of you, Anas. Nah, kayak gitu ya. So it's a matter of time. Jadi time. Kalau bahasa Indonesia kita perlu mikirin nggak sih? Semisal saya makan hari ini, saya makan besok, saya makan lusa. Kita nggak bener-bener mikirin kan? Oh, makan kalau verb ya udah tetap verb, kata kerjanya ya udah makan terus. Kita nggak peduli mau makannya besok, makannya hari ini, makannya minggu depan. Verbnya tetap itu kan kalau di bahasa Indonesia. But if we do it in English, it will be different. If in the past tense we use ate, if we use the present tense we use eat, if we in the future we use will eat. Nah, kayak gitu ya. Jadi itu kayak it affects the action or state in relation to the time of speaking. Jadi itu antara orang bicara, antara kalimat yang diucapkan itu tuh kayak ada kesinambungan antara waktu dan bicaranya gitu ya. And also that's absolutely showing the time that action takes place. Kadang juga menunjukkan kapan sih itu terjadi juga, hampir sama ya gitu. Okay, so far do you understand guys what is tense? Jadi ketika ditanya kenapa sih kalian harus belajar simple tense, simple past tense, simple present tense. Kalian tuh belajar apanya berarti? So what did you get from the every tense that you have studied? So what did you get? So what is the function? Apa sih? What is the function? You have to study this one. What is the function?
Know, saja izin jawab.
Okay.
So that we know the exact information.
Okay, that's great. We know the exact information, the exact time.
To know when, exact time.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Anas and Daryl. Others?
Jadi if we tell we're eating but kapan gitu.
Oh ya, I see it. Ya gitu ya. Jadi kalau orang bule, orang native, insya Allah nih ketika you guys go abroad, go overseas, and you can, if someone told you about I ate burger, so it means that dia habis makan burger, or I just ate a bunch of banana. Oh berarti dia ceritanya tuh habis makan pisang. Jadi baru aja makan pisang. So you get the context, you understand the context. Beda kalau ketika kalian nggak paham, oh mungkin ngiranya sampai sekarang tuh dia masih makan pisang or something atau gimana, atau nanti dia makan pisang, kan kita nggak tahu ya. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi you will know the context, you will get the context of your speaking partner gitu ya. Oh, that's why you have to know, you have to study the tense itself. Okay, thank you. And next one. So the specific one. What do you know about the present simple tense? What do you know about the present simple tense? What do you know about the present simple tense, guys? Let's specify it.
Time indicatornya itu present.
Okay, time indicatornya present. Okay, that's great, Aziz.
To
Marvelous.
tell what are we doing at the moment and to talk about general truth.
Okay, talk about what we are what we are doing at the moment and talk about general truth. That's great too, Anas. Thank you. What else? Ada yang
Peristiwa
mau?
yang berulang kali, Zah.
Yeah, that's great. Activity, repeated action, repeated activity. That's great of you guys. Nah, itu ya. What do you know about the present simple tense? Jadi, when you want to share about your habitual action, when you want to say about general truth, you have to use present simple tense itu ya. Jadi gunanya ini tuh ketika kamu mau ngomong kebiasaanmu, kamu ngomong fakta tentang dirimu. For the example, you are handsome, I am smart, or maybe I am diligent. Nah, itu fakta kan. Nah, kalian harus pakai simple present simple tense. Itu. So let's jump into the next one. Okay, so present simple tense. What is that? Tadi apa present simple tense? Is a part of verb tense. And then when do we usually use it? Tadi udah dijawab ya. We usually use it for repeated action. Thank you, Alvaro. Yeah. And then because it happens over and over again. It forms a habitual action ya, kebiasaan, tindakan kebiasaan. And also it is also for general statement of fact. Jadi termasuk tadi kenapa sih Ustazah ngasih gambar tadi? Kenapa Ustazah ngasih gambar tadi? Because
Terkait yang terjadi sekarang, Zah.
Ya, it's a fact ya, itu yang terjadi sekarang. Itu yang terjadi sekarang, itu juga part of fact. Jadi if you make kind of text like this, survey or something like we just did in the speaking class, we talk about survey that done by UK institution. Lot of UK institution is part of a fact too. Jadi apapun yang menjelaskan fact, dia pasti pakai present simple tense gitu ya. So far, do you understand, guys? Do you understand? Or do you have any obstacle with this?
Kayaknya Ustazah, kayaknya usah ada latihan gitu biar lebih paham.
Okay, I see it. After this, of course, absolutely. Okay, so this one, but we read the example first. Okay, so I eat breakfast every day. You may repeat after me, okay? I eat breakfast every day.
I eat
breakfast
every day.
Okay, but for the next one, I read in bed every night.
I read in bed every night.
Okay, I always study after school.
I always
study after school.
Okay, thank you. Wait a minute, I forgot to. Okay, now from this example, what did you get? What do you get from this example? Related to our previous definition. What do you get related previous definition? Kita dapatnya apa sih dari contoh-contoh ini? Ada apa yang menunjukkan kalau emang dia tuh simple present tense, present simple tense?
Ada penempatan waktunya.
Okay, which one, Daryl? The time?
Every day, every night, after school.
Okay, after school? Is it after school?
Always, Ding. Sorry,
yeah,
always.
that's correct. Every day, every night, always. It's called repeated action. Jadi yang berulang-ulang. Kalau every day berarti berulangnya tiap hari. Every night berarti berulangnya tiap malam. Kalau always itu selalu gitu ya. So if you want to make a present simple tense, make sure that you have this kind of phrase, this kind of adverbial phrase, or maybe this kind of adverb of frequency. Just simple as that. So this is, so you have already know about this one, right? The verb form itself. Or maybe we have a example first. Sorry. you may take a look at. Wait a minute. You may take a look at which. Okay, so the exercise 1. Dicari Ustazah di sini aja deh. Wait a minute, I will. So far udah paham ya, udah beneran paham nih. Present simple exercises.
Za, ini ngapain aku baru balik?
Oke. Kita mau latihan. So, tadi siapa yang ngomong? Rifki ya? Okay, Rifki. So we will have the exercise to make sure that you are understand before we jump to the next one. So, do you see the screen that I share? It's Chrome. It's Chrome or Zoom?
Yes.
Chrome kan?
Kelihatan Zah, Chrome.
Ya.
Okay.
Ada nomor 1 bla bla
let's-
bla at a bank.
At the bank.
Yeah, okay, let's discuss it together. Siapa yang mau jawab? Who wants to
Saya.
answer? Ya, siapa dulu? Daril nih. Oke, Daril first.
Iya.
Daril.
I work at a bank.
Okay, so I work at a bank. Okay, great. Correct ya, Daril. Why Daril? Why do you choose work? Why
Karena
not
I
works
itu
or working?
verb 1.
Iya, I itu ini juga verb 1 semua sih.
Tapi
Kalau
kalau
yang
yang
nggak pakai
ada-
S ya.
Yeah, that's correct. So if the subject we do not use as. Okay, thank you. What about number 2? Who is? Siapa mau nomor 2?
Saya.
Oke,
Saya.
sahabat, please
Actually,
number
that-
He
2.
lives with the parents.
Kan
Yang lives LIVES.
Oke, that's great. She lives. Oke, correct ya. Kenapa dia pakainya S?
Soalnya kan she, habis itu with
Oke.
her berarti.
Oke.
He, she, it, he, she, it.
Oke, he, she, it. That's correct.
itu
Thank
dia.
you, Anas. He, she, it needs S. Oke, what about this
Kalau
one?
yang enggak tuh Dewi Ayu.
Oke, nomor 3.
Ayu Dewi.
Nomor 3. Ayu Dewi. Iya, Ayu Dewi.
Saya dulu kalau
Fit
di
bukan sini.
tempat
Zah.
les rumusnya gini Zah, Ayu Dewi gak boleh makan es. Jadi yang Ayu Dewi gak boleh pakai es.
Oh, I see. That's great. Bagus dong.
Iya.
Makanya ikan ingat. Oke, so ini deh berarti udah hatam ya ini nomor 3. Siapa mau nomor 3?
Saya
Others,
Fit
please.
bukan sih.
Oke, Anas,
Fit.
please.
feed nggak pakai S.
Fit nggak pakai S. Oke. Why nggak pakai S? Why it's
Soalnya
Ya,
kaunya udah pakai
plural.
S.
Oh, soalnya kaunya udah pakai S.
Plural.
Plural. Okay, that's great, Anas. Yeah, plural. So plural don't need to S. Don't need to use S. Okay. What about number 4? What
He
about number?
earns bukan sih.
Yeah, earns.
Siapa yang mau
earns.
jawab number 4?
Saya sahabat-sahabat earns.
Others, please. Yang udah ya.
Ya, earns juga.
Oke, Karim. Karim, why? Isinya apa, Karim?
Bentar.
Oke, bentar. Oke. Oke, so the rest of you guys, please don't turn off your camera. Romero, do you belong to be here, Romero? Romero emang di sini ya? Oke, guys. Ini gampang. Oke.
Can I?
Can I? Of course, you number 5. Ya udah, apa Rifki dulu ya Karim? Karim lagi ngapain sih? Karim, what are you doing,
Ya, Pak.
Karim? Oke, Karim. Udah, Karim? Are you ready to answer the question?
Earns.
Hah?
Earns.
Earns. Why, Karim, you choose earns?
Feeling.
Feeling.
Saya pernah belajar tentang ini tapi saya lupa dikit. Maaf.
Iya, jadi kalau he, she, it dia pakainya S ya Karim. Oke, correct Karim. Thank you. What about you, Rifki, number 5? Which one that you will choose?
Once.
Once. Why once?
Once.
Why once?
Soalnya
Janet.
ini pakai nama bukan sih, gak tahu, susah lah jelasinnya.
Why
Does
Rifki?
it that it's same like she or he?
Okay,
Nah.
that's great. Now, because the
Because she is
pronouns,
singular.
yeah, because the pronouns use she, yeah, so she needs S. Okay, thank you, Rifki. It's correct one. Okay, number 6, please. Other, someone Bukhari, please. Number 6, Bukhari. Oh, atau Faro mau, Faro. Oke, Faro boleh.
Coba. Makes Zah, makes bukan Zah, makes.
Oke, makes. Why Faro makes? Why do you choose
Soalnya
make?
kalau subjek, arti noun, nama.
Yeah.
Kalau nama itu pakai S.
Okay, that's great. A name is also used as. Okay, correct. Thank you, Alvaro. Okay, number 7. Please, other siapa yang mau? Yang belum? The other one. Yang belum nih? Yang belum gak ada yang mau. Gampang loh guys, ini pada rebutan nih. Gak ada yang
Lives,
mau.
ya.
Leaves dah.
Okay, leaves. Arti
pakai S.
and her leaves.
Ada.
Are you sure? Arti and her husband leaves. Abu
Leave.
Zar? Ya,
Leave.
leave ya. Kenapa bisa leave?
Karena itu 2 orang.
Arti
Iya,
and her
Sedangkan
husband.
Ayu Dewi nggak
Karena
boleh
arti,
pakai S.
iya betul,
Tuh.
karena arti and her husband ya,
Betul.
jangan sampai luput. Ini 2 orang ya, jadi kalau 2 orang harus live, not lives. What about number 8? Rohan and Sania bla 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 to play card games.
Like.
Like,
Like
okay, easy. And then number 9, Sophia.
Speaks.
Sophia speaks. Okay.
Fix.
Okay, thank you. Karena jelas ya, Sophia. And the next one, Martin.
Goes.
Goes. Okay, my grandfather
Door.
adores. Okay, I see. And then the plants.
Plans. Need.
Need.
Okay, need. Okay, gitu
Need,
ya.
ya. Nggak pakai
So,
S.
enggak tanpa S. Okay. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. I lost my signal. Let's continue. So this is the answer. I work at the bank. She lives with her parents. Cows feed on grass. He earns a handsome salary. Janet wants to be a singer. Emily makes delicious cookies. Arti and her husband live in Singapore. Rohan and Sania like to play card games. Sophia speaks English very well. Martin goes for a walk. My grandfather adores his pet. Plants need water. Itu ya. So far, do you understand guys? Paham kan? Easy kan? Jadi ini ya tadi yang Ustazah mau jelasin, tapi karena kalian kayaknya otaknya udah canggih-canggih nih, luar biasa muridnya Ustazah.
Saya mau pendapat sih.
Oh iya boleh,
Kalau-
siapa?
Tapi kan ada yang bilang kalau nama itu juga pakai S. Tapi kan kalau nggak harus sih, itu karena singular aja nyebutin satu orang. Misalnya, tapi kalau misalnya Emily's, jadi
Mhm.
dalam ruangan itu ada beberapa Emily. Nah itu jadinya plural, jadinya nggak
Oh,
pakai S.
Ya, that's
Itu
correct.
Itu
kehitungnya
karena
ada
singular ya,
gitu
bukan
ya.
karena dia pakai nama.
Ya, that's correct. Okay, thank you for
Nih pokoknya
correcting.
Ampun, sepuh.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Thank you, nggak apa-apa banget loh kalau Ustazah tadi nyebutin karena nama ya. Jadi emang jadi sebenarnya nggak selalu nama banget terus habis itu ya. Jadi emang bener kata Anas tadi, because halo cek. Kok kalian nge-freeze?
Iya,
Ini yang nge-freeze Ustazah apa kalian?
Enggak nge-freeze.
Enggak
Nggak nge-freeze ya?
Nge-freeze
So
saya.
because it's not because of the name itself, but it's part of singular or plural. Okay, susah banget bilang plural. Now this is the verb form. We just take a look just for a second, not too long. Verb form, present simple verb have two form base. Jadi seperti yang tadi ya kita udah bahas, ada base verb, ada verb plus s. For the verb form, which form do we use? Udah paham ya? It depends on the subject of the sentence. So it depends on the subject of the sentence. The subject can be pronounced I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Itu pronounce ya guys namanya. If you meet I, you, we, they, he, she, it, it's called pronounce. And it's the subject also can be nouns, people, places, things. Jadi subjek itu nggak melulu tentang kita. Subjek itu apa nih, botol. Is it, can we call it subject?
Yes.
Bottle, can we call it subject?
Yes.
So please make a sentence that bottle as the subject. Can you? And using present simple tense.
Yes.
Coba, ada yang mau bikin kalimat botol jadi subjeknya dan menggunakan present simple tense. Gimana tuh?
Saya the bottle is missing.
The bottle is,
The bottle is half full with water.
okay, the bottle is half of the water. Okay, boleh. The other one ada yang mau bikin lagi? The
Di chat
bottle.
saya benar nggak tuh,
Saya
Zah?
dah.
Oh iya,
Yang
di
di
chat
chat,
juga
yang di chat.
boleh. Di chat I will check the bottle is filled to the brim. Okay. Other,
Zah.
sungkem Lord
Ring
Anas
artinya apa,
gimana?
Zah?
Bring artinya apa, sahabat? Boleh dijelasin ke teman-temannya, sahabat. Bring.
Agak tuh saya jadi inget sama apa ya waktu itu saya gini nonton, habis itu orangnya kan nanya kan kata Banda itu botol minum apa sih persediaan minum kita udah penuh belum, kata dia the bottle is filled to the brim. Langsung saya cari di Google arti apa, ternyata itu kayak penuh lah, tapi rada kayak nggak formal gak sih gitu.
Oh, I see it. Oke, jadi emang artinya itu hampir penuh, tapi belum penuh-penuh banget. Bisa nih. Oke, itu ya, the bottle is filled atau the bottle has pink color. It's also the bottle as the subject. Itu ya, jadi nggak melulu tentang kita, bisa tumbuhan, bisa hewan, bahkan bisa uncountable noun juga bisa. So itu ya. And then the next one, ini base verb. Tadi ya udah hafal, udah khatam nih. Base verb itu buat pronoun, betul ya. Ayu, Dewi, Ayu, Dewi. Tadi gimana? Ayu, Dewi. Ya itulah pokoknya.
Ayu Dewi.
Ayu, Dewi.
Ayu Dewi nggak boleh makan es.
Iya betul. Ayu Dewi nggak pakai es. Ayu Dewi nggak boleh makan es. So Ayu Dewi, I walk, you always drink. We sometimes eat. They study, enggak I walks, enggak you drinks, atau we eats, enggak ya. And the next one is verb S. Yang menggunakan verb S is he, she, it. He knits, she takes, it sleeps, gitu ya. Kalau cat pakainya apa guys?
The cat sleeps on the
Ya, cat
couch
sleeps
every day.
on the couch. Jadi cat itu
Kalau
kata
misal kucingnya
gantinya.
banyak gimana, Zah?
Kalau kucingnya banyak gimana guys?
Baru cats
Jadi
ya,
nggak pakai
baru
S.
the
Cat
cats
sleep.
Ya,
is sleeping
cats
on the couch.
sleep on the couch. Nah, every day ini tipe ya everyday. Oke. So the next one, base verb nouns. Nah, ini yang tadi dia maksudin Anas ya, plural nouns. Jadi kalau plural, entah itu namanya yang plural atau orangnya yang plural atau siapanya yang plural, dia base verb ya. Jadi tanpa S. The students take, my parents drink. Tuh. And the next one, ini juga singular noun yang pakai verb S. The student walks. My cat always sleeps. Sama ya kayak tadi. And the next one, nah ini yang uncountable. Ada snow falls from the sky in winter. My hair grows quickly. Ada yang tahu nggak uncountable itu kayak apa aja selain snow and my hair?
Laut,
Sugar,
pasir.
sugar.
Oke,
Laut,
sugar,
pasir.
grain.
Beras.
Liquid.
Apa? Beras bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Rice.
Rain,
Rice. Terus apa
grain
lagi?
bukan sih?
Grain.
Grain, oke.
Grain itu butir.
Apalagi?
Lah.
Oil,
Dirt.
water. Oke,
Dirt.
itu ya. Pokoknya sesuatu yang emang nggak bisa kita hitung secara jumlah pakai tangan, pakai apapun nggak bisa. Emang siapa yang pernah menghitung air? Siapa yang pernah menghitung rambut? Enggak kan? Ya, terlalu
Saya?
hebat kita. Kamu pernah?
Guru fisika, Zah.
Guru fisika. Guru
Iya,
fisika.
di fisika kan ngitung air jatuh.
Iya sih, oke, I see. Tapi dia
Saya
belum
Zah,
ada.
apa dosa termasuk Zah?
Gimana tuh dosa? Dosa
Ayo
tuh
deh
maksudnya tuh.
berdosa. Masuk sih harusnya sih.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Masuk harusnya.
Okay, so we can conclude that we can use the present simple tense when apa guys? We can use the present simple tense when
We talk lah.
when we talk about what?
When we talk to a native speaker atau
Okay, when we talk to the native
atau
speaker
nggak pas
we
lagi
use simple.
nulis cerpen tapi pakai bahasa Inggris. Nah, biasanya
Okay,
kalau tulis
I
kan
see.
harus benar.
Oke, bisa
Saya
tuh
nggak juga
pakai
sih,
past
kan kayak
tense
gitu.
kalau nulis cerpen, nggak harus present simple tense sih. Gimana Faiz?
Yes,
We can use the present simple tense when kapan? When Faiz? Faiz, are you with me, Faiz?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can use the present simple
speaking.
tense when
Speak to others.
when?
Tipu nih jajan.
Ngobrol, speaking.
Iya, ngobrol, speaking. When? Apakah speaking kurang spesifik? When?
Berlangsung ya.
Berlangsung.
Zaza.
Apa? Gimana kan?
Tadi maaf tadi
Gimana?
pergi.
Iya.
Kirain dari kebakaran.
Oh iya, I see. Gak apa-apa, Karim. Save your life. Oke, Faiz tadi gimana? Ayo loh. Ternyata ini ada yang belum paham, guys. Gimana nih? We can use the present simple tense when apa? Gimana, sahabat? When?
Nggak jadi, udah saya tulis di chat.
Oke, ditulis di chat. Atau yang mau itu kalau lagi ngomong.
Saya, Zah.
Oke, great.
Berlangsung ya.
Ya,
Halo,
yang
Zah.
sedang
Tadi saya-
ya, yang terjadi, yang
Saya, Zah.
berlangsung.
Ya.
Oke. Ngomongin fakta, oke, that's right. It's when
When
we talk about fact.
When we tell what we do every day.
Okay, to tell what we do every day. Okay, thank you, Anas. To tell what we do every day. Talk about scheduled future events. Is it? Good try, Abuzar. Thank you. But it's a good try. Thank you, Abuzar. Yeah, sometimes we talk about general truth. In past, in present, in future, it's same. Kayak bumi itu bulat. Mau di masa lalu, mau di masa depan, mau di masa sekarang, bumi akan selalu bulat karena that's why we use present simple tense when we talk about fakta. Itu maksudnya fakta ya, Buzar mungkin maksudnya itu. Oke, yang lain ada tambahan lagi? Do you have any additional information to us?
Habit bukan sih?
Ya, that's correct. Habit. It forms habit. Itu juga membentuk habit ya. Untuk kita cerita habitnya kalian ngapain sih? Kayak gitu ya.
Saza kalau apa buat schedule future event tuh bukannya pakai future tense ya?
Ya, that's right. Ya, kalau kita
Kayak
pakainya
I will eat with my parents gitu.
ya, that's correct. Ya, jadi makanya tadi ya kalau future schedule itu emang masuknya ke konteksnya ke future, tapi ketika emang kita bahas fakta itu bisa. Jadi fakta itu kan menyeluruh ya, mau dari masa lalu, mau dari masa lampau. It consists of the past, present, and future. Jadi itu fakta. Makanya nyebutnya fakta, bukan future schedule or something, future fact or something. Jadi emang fact aja. Kalau future schedule itu masuknya ke future tense gitu ya, Abuzar. Thank you. Ada yang mau nambahin lagi mungkin? Jadi biar makin paham nih. Salah paham harus diatasi secepat-cepatnya. Oke. Terus juga kejadian yang berlangsung bukan yang sedang berlangsung ya, tapi emang at the moment emang terjadi gitu loh. Kayak semisal kita ketemu orang, but we don't recognize them. Oke, kayak gitu ya. Kan kita nggak pakai we are not recognizing them, enggak kan, tapi we just talk, we don't recognize them, or I don't bla bla bla, itu kan langsung kita pakai. Jadi emang seketika itu kita biasanya pakai simple present simple tense. Oke, so far do you understand guys? Paham ya? Mudah kan? Mudah banget loh guys, jangan sampai terkecoh. Nah ini nih ada form and use-nya. Kalau ini bentuk secara emang itunya ya, ada yang afirmatif, ada yang negatif, ada yang question, ada yang short question, ada yang long question. Bisa dilihat dulu. Kalau afirmatif itu apa sih afirmatif? Afirmatif kayak
Confident.
gimana?
Persetujuan.
Oh ya, persetujuan. Kalau afirmatif,
gitu.
afirmatif di sini maksudnya lebih ke positif ya. Ya, persetujuan juga bisa sih. Afirmatif lebih ke positif one. Kalau negatif itu
Ya.
lebih ke
Afirmatif secara harfiah.
ya afirmatif secara harfiah. Oke, thank you Rifki. Negatif itu yang biasanya pakai not, not, not. So far do you understand? Nggak perlu dijelasin kan ya yang ini? Udah jelas kan?
Zah sebenarnya Zah.
Ya.
Itu kan yang negatif kan ada yang he, she, it itu biasa pakai doesn't live kan ya.
Yes.
Nah, tapi saya pernah nonton tuh dia tuh ngomongnya itu he don't habis itu dia ngomongnya itu nggak she
Iya.
don't. Nah, itu
Iya,
nggak pakai
betul.
doesn't. Itu gimana tuh?
Ya kalau emang itu konteksnya udah budaya ya, itu kalau kita pakai kayak gitu, kalau di writing itu emang nggak boleh, tapi kalau di speaking atau apalagi itu slang dan dalam lagu-lagu yang emang nggak ada ikatan apapun, itu nggak apa-apa aja kok. Semisal atau kalian tahu ain't, I ain't, I ain't, bla 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 apa kayak gitu, itu juga
Tapi-
ain't itu sebenarnya is MR kayak gitu-gitu juga hampir mirip, tapi itu dia konteksnya slang dan dia nggak bisa dipakai untuk writing gitu ya. It's
Iya,
so
Ustazah.
Makanya
gimana?
Kalau shan't itu gimana ya? Jadi tulisannya
Shan't?
shan't.
Shan tulisannya gimana? Ustazah baru tahu.
I shan't doing it.
shall not,
Itu
shall
dari
not.
I shall not bukan?
Iya kayak
Oh,
kayak itu masuk ke bahasa Inggris lama nggak sih, bahasa Inggris kuno lebih tepatnya.
It could be guys,
Oh, really?
tapi actually Ustazah baru tahu ini kalau ada shan juga. Ustazah tahunya ain't, terus yang tadi di sama kayak ain't. Oh iya, shan. Let's
I ain't got no shit.
shall not.
Oh ya shall not.
Oh
I
yes, shall not. Ya di dictionary is shall not, shall not. Oke, gitu ya. We shan't be gone long. Kita enggak.
Saja.
Nah, kayak gitu ya. Gimana, Anas?
Contohnya ini kan yang negatif kan tinggal tambahin not.
Ya, that's
Nah,
correct.
tapi ini ada do-nya. Jadi yang affirmative tuh kan kelihatannya kayak nggak ada do, padahal ada kan, Zah?
Ya.
Kayak he does lives.
Mm-mm.
We do live. Tapi kalau dihilangin nggak apa-apa gitu maksudnya.
Iya.
Jadi kalau negatif tinggal tambahin not, jadi ada do-nya kan, jadi do not live.
Iya.
Yang ini he she it pakai s jadi does not
Nah,
live. Jadi
Oke.
ada do-nya tapi tapi bisa boleh dihilangin gitu.
Iya.
Tadi ini
Gimana?
kepanjangannya apa sih?
Apa gimana? Ain't itu nggak ada kepanjangannya. Emang ain't, not. Dia
Oh ya udah, jadi
kayak
slang aja gitu ya.
iya slang aja, ain't meaning. Jadi kayak dia am not, are not, is not, has not, have not. Ain't itu artinya itu. Ain't, I'm not, am not, are not, is not, have not, has not. Gitu ya. Jadi related to Anas, Anas try to tell us that sebenarnya di sini yang afirmatif it is exist do. I do live. He she do live. He she does live. Sebenarnya kayak gitu ya. Tapi karena dia itu melebur, kalau di sini sebenarnya ada does, tapi karena dia melebur jadinya lives. Kalau dia I you we they I do live. Jadi tuh kenapa tadi ini juga relate sama yang sahabat tadi ya diskusi. Kenapa sih dia tadi bilang he do, he don't kayak gitu. Nah, itu tuh lebih untuk emphasizing. Jadi itu berlaku hanya untuk di speaking ya, tapi untuk emphasizing sesuatu, semisal I do live in Bogor. Itu tuh maksudnya aku tuh bener-bener loh tinggal di Bogor. Aku tuh nggak bohong. Semisal nih ceritanya orang-orang nggak percaya sama kalian, I do live in Bogor kayak gitu. Mungkin tadi yang kalau sahabat mungkin itu lirik lagu or something, he do or something, he do
Kayak
not.
I do like you gitu.
Nah, I do like you. Nah, itu berarti maksudnya aku tuh bener-bener. Jadi itu lebih ke emphasizing dari kata kerja itu sendiri. Tapi kalau tapi itu lebih berlaku ke speaking ya, bukan untuk di writing gitu, guys.
Zah,
Gimana, sahabat?
kalau I do live in Bogor tuh kayak penegas ulang nggak sih?
Iya.
Gitu ya kan? Biar
Lebih
gitu
tegas,
kan.
biar lebih
Iya, for
lebih banget ya.
emphasizing. Iya, itu untuk
Ya, lebih
penegasan.
kayak oke. I see.
Gitu ya. Ada pertanyaan lagi terkait itu. Jadi sebenarnya ini I do live, he does live. Tapi karena dasnya melebur ke pindah ke s, makanya di sini he doesn't live, I don't live kayak gitu. Sorry.
There is not necessary for daily conversation is there.
Gimana Rifki? Pardon, please repeat it clearly, Rifki. There is no
There is
necessary.
for daily conversation? Is that
It's up to you. Jadi itu lebih ke kebutuhan kamu sih. Kalau kamu emang pengen emphasize, bisa jadi. Kalau enggak juga nggak apa-apa, it's fine. Necessary enggaknya kalau ngomong yang kayak tadi ya I do live or something, it's up to you kayak gitu ya. Itu terserah kalian pengennya kayak gimana. Tapi balik lagi itu untuk speaking ya, bukan writing. Get it, Rifki?
nice and clear?
Oke. Gimana Rifki? Oke. Udah? Itu ya. So now please can you tell me atau gimana ya? Ustazah tuh pengen kalian nulis, please write down your own present simple tense. Mau di whiteboard atau gimana nih? Bisa nggak sih kalau whiteboard kalian annotate gitu?
Ya, Ustazah tinggal
Bisa,
aktifin
bisa,
annotate
bisa.
aja kalau gitu.
Harusnya bisa sih.
Ya, oke.
Itu
So,
sih yang teks, jangan coret.
iya, tapi di whiteboard aja ya. So please you gimana ya? Enable annotate. Nah, Ustazah menyediakan whiteboard. Please of you guys write down your own present simple tense. At least 3 of simple present tense. Present simple tense. Jadi di sini semisal Ustazah nulis nih konsa. Kelihatan nggak sih? Konsa. Present simple tense-nya. Ini ada satu apa? I eat apa bla bla bla. Nah, kayak gitu ya, dikasih nama. Oke. Kalian semua terserah kalian memposisikan di mana aja, pokoknya jangan saling bertabrakan. Yang jangan anarkis satu sama lain, yang tenang. Oke, guys. Anas, oke, Anas start. Anas is starting to write. Silahkan, please. Silahkan ditulis, boleh negatif, boleh. You may write down your negative sentence. Question, it's fine. Rifki, please Rifki. Behave Rifki.
Zah,
Gimana?
present kan ya?
Iya, simple present. Yang tadi udah kita
Oke,
bahas nih, kan gampang kan kalian
Nggak tahu,
sampai
saya
terngantuk-ngantuk.
tadi saya salah dengar. Saya dengar past tense. Ya udah.
Oke, sorry. Pakai teks aja ya biar rapi. Fikri Hasan. Behave dong. Ini kenapa sih nah, he is dikasih nama ya guys. Semisal kayak tadi Konsa apa kayak gitu namanya. Nanti biar di save, biar jadi catatannya kalian. At least 3 sentences. Bikin 3.
Perlu ada keterangan waktunya nggak Ustazah?
Saya izin ke kamar mandi.
Ya boleh.
Oh, keterangan waktu perlu.
Ya pokoknya yang tadi kita udah pelajari gimana tuh konsepnya. Alvaro, thank you Alvaro. Alvaro lah, that's great. Nah, nulisnya kalau bisa kayak Alvaro kayak gini ya. Alvaro builds a computer. I play games at school. He walks in the class. Oke, thank you Alvaro. Yuk, yang lain ditunggu.
Ini ngapain tadi?
Write down.
Tulis apa?
Nulis
Write down apa?
present simple tense.
Oh, proses.
Iya. Kalau terdesak boleh dikecilin atau di itu. Silakan kalian menulis your own present simple tense. It's not always affirmative. It's fine if you want to write down the negative one or maybe question. Okay, thank you, Azi. He eats the burger. I drink the smoothies. Mom cooks the food. Yuk, baru 2 nih. Yang kelihatan baru 2 apa emang baru typing? Haikal, he loves to play basketball. Oke.
Perasaan aku udah
Berapa
typing deh.
Sorry.
Masa sih? Rifki udah?
Harus di enter
Ini
dulu,
apa?
di enter. Atau klik di bagian putih-putih yang lain dia baru muncul.
Iya. Nah, dari.
Gimana caranya?
Kayak ketik biasa, habis itu langsung enter atau enggak klik yang lain gitu.
Udah.
Harus berapa, Zah?
Harus 3.
Oke.
Ada reduce bener.
Ini fontnya nggak bisa dikecilin ya?
Bisa Zah, bisa.
Punya aku, Zah. Aduh.
Oh, itu punyanya Rifki. Kasih nama dong, Rifki.
Iya, Mak. Gimana
Iya.
caranya?
Saya warnanya beda sendiri ya, Zah.
Ya boleh nih
Ya,
dikasih
udah.
warna-warni.
Oke. Bebas dong warna.
Udah
Gimana?
nggak usah dikasih nama ya?
Udah.
Kok hilang punyanya
Itu punya
Rifki?
saya. Ya saya kepisah-pisah tuh. Ya.
Yang ada bubsis itu.
Ih, udah nggak bisa dikasih nama, Zah.
Ini Ustazah bisa yang ngasih nama. Siapa nama kamu? Rifki.
Prince
Zah.
Williams.
Ustazah.
Wah,
Itu punya saya kepisah-pisah tuh. Ya. Berarti saya nulisnya nggak langsung satu.
ini fontnya nggak bisa diperkecilin ya? Cara yang ngecilin font gimana sih? Ustazah nggak tahu juga nih. Nggak tahu lagi.
Di itu Zah,
Ya apa?
kan Anonet ada format yang sebelah eraser.
Oh,
Itu ada
format
tulisan
sebelah
font.
eraser. Oh, I see. Oke, thank you, Daryl.
Umaidi, Zah. Bukan saya ngomong.
Oh, tadi siapa yang ngomong? Siapa? Azi.
Yang
Oke,
tadi
thank
Umaidi.
you, Azi. Oh, Midi.
Apaan?
Thank you, Midi. Azi.
Apaan?
Tadi itu saya Zah.
Oh, siapa dia?
Punya saya
Ustazah
punya
nggak
saya
lihat nih muka
kepisah-pisah
Faro
gitu
yang
Zah.
ngomong.
Yang
He
di
eats
Eat the
burger.
Burger sama yang I drink the smoothies tuh jadi di tengah-tengah. Punya saya hilang, Zah. Astagfirullah.
Yang hilang boleh di type lagi terus disesuaikan fontnya ya biar nggak kemakan sama yang lain.
Nyowes.
Humaidi cuma 3 doang, Humaidi. Humaidi cuma 3
Belum,
doang.
Zah.
Humaidi cuma nulis 1 doang.
Belum. Proses.
Oh, proses. Ini Anas terpisah gini, gue maksudnya gimana?
Tadi kepotong Zah, udah kepencet enter.
Oh iya, nggak apa-apa, sorry. Nggak apa-apa. Ini siapa yang amigos?
Amogus.
Amogus. What is Amogus?
Oh ya.
Amogus.
Karem, hei.
Jadi
Sangai karem.
Oke, I
Amogus
drink
kok
smoothies.
sejarahnya, Ustazah.
It is from Azi. Oh, Azi juga terpisah-pisah. Ya itulah. Kepisah-pisah ya. Azi. Oh. Oke, udah. Ada yang belum, guys? Kok ada yang
Punya
hilang?
Aji.
Humaidi mana nih? Humaidi cuma 1 doang. Masih nulis.
Udah.
Udah selesai. Tapi kok he loves to play
Ini di
Amogus, Matalah. Ya Allah, nak. Oh, ini Humaidi. Ini saya delete ya. Humaidi here. Nah, inilah hasil karya kalian hari ini. Luar biasa. Ada yang menambah lagi. Oke, thank you Rifki. It's Prince Williams. Ya, serah Rifki dah. Se-happy-happynya Rifki. Oke, Fikri, thank you. Dodo made pizza, Fikri. He did the job, Fikri. Are you with me, Fikri? After all this time, Fikri. Have we discussed about made and did and read, Fikri? Mana Fikri Ahsan?
Oh iya.
Oh iya, Ustazah gimana tuh? Dari tadi Ustazah menjelaskan loh. Kok ada tiba-tiba made dan did muncul, gimana tuh? Oke, please the one. Alvaro, oke, thank you Alvaro. You did a great job. Faiz, they sleep. You eat, okay, thank you. Rifat, I eat rice, okay, great. He eats burger. Ucok drinks. Haikal, he loves to play basketball, okay, great. Oke, terus ini ada Anas. Anas Fikri. Dodo is making. Apa tadi kita bahas is making, is working, I'm reading, Fikri. Ayo, fokus.
Jamnya udah lewat dah.
Oh iya. Oh iya ya.
Udah lewat
Kita
dah.
sampai 10.20 ya?
20.
Oke. Oke, so
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. I will save this one. Thank you for having me. I'm sorry if I take more of your time. So we continue it next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih, Ustazah.
You're forbidden to delete this one.
Okay. Yes.
Till we graduate.
Okay, I see.
Syukron Za, izin live.
Iya, boleh.
Ustazah.
Izin Liza.
Assalamualaikum, Ustazah.
Oke.
Nanti ini di save Ustazah kan ya?
You are forbidden to delete this till we graduate.
Iya, till we
Di
graduate.
SS dulu aja.
Iya, udah
Ya,
di save nih.
Assalamualaikum. Oke, assalamualaikum.
Oke, waalaikumsalam.
Ini PS lah jadinya nggak usah keluar.
Oke, PS2. Oke. Thank you.